Tableau CRM for Financial Services Cloud gives us a holistic view at the commercial banking sector and helps us to understand, as a relationship manager, our book of business, how to grow my business, so which leads and opportunities I need to pursue, and then how to protect my business. What accounts are at risk of attrition, and who should I contact about it? What resources are available to me? So first we'll go through what my book of business looks like. So what loans are in my book? So we can get an understanding of the loans in my book by yield spread, by interest rate, and by amount. And a quick, easy summary of the total deposits we have, the total interest paid, and the average credit utilization. So really powerful here. Next, we're going to examine what is our risk profile. So again, we're measuring that risk profile against the yield spread for this year. And so we want to understand, if it's a 0.06 yield spread, what does that loan risk look like? And we can get details on the loan itself. Going next to how have things changed? So if I refresh this so we can get a better look. So all the way back from 2014, we can see how my book of business has changed via total loans. If I want to change to number of loans as a metric, to number of new loans, to average interest rate, all of those are available to me, as well as a loan detail at the bottom. Fourthly, what accounts are in my book? So here I can measure my accounts by company revenue. So if it's 500 million to $1 billion, I can toggle on that. I can toggle on client tenure, 1 to 2 years, and by the number of products. So very easy to be able to see where my top accounts are and then by which industry they are. So I can look at both total loan amount per account and also the number of loans they hold there. Refresh that. And then lastly, for this commercial book of business, what loans are being processed? So where in the stage are my loans in my pipeline? And then two things. What is the quality rating and what is the type of account? Existing versus new. And then 1 through 5, where are they in the pipeline? And then moving on to growing my business. So that's the next portion. So what needs my attention? So I've got 45 open deals. I got a $1.6 million open pipe. So I really want to take a look and understand where I can excel. Like, do I need to focus on a certain opportunity here? Is Acme term down here, they're behind, so I might want to focus on that. Where are my best opportunities? So this is going to give me an understanding of and calculate what my win rate is for the current period and what my win rate is for the previous period. So this is giving me my opportunity scorecard. So really powerful here as well. What are my most promising opportunities? So it's going to give me certain characteristics that will correspond to a win rate where I can go and I can put my best foot forward with opportunities that resemble what I've won in the past. What leads should I follow up on? So the average of conversion rate by referrer. So it's going to help me to understand which referrers have given me the most information, the most referrals, and then what is the average of conversion rate by those referrers. And then on the left, by industry and product interest. So two powerful ways to measure lead conversion rate, more by that product interest and more by referrer. Now beneath that, we've got the lead conversion cycle. So I've received 256, followed up with 200, qualified 150, converted 120, closed 70. And then something that's equally as powerful is the average number of touches to convert that lead into an opportunity. Then lastly here, what white space can I target? So it's going to show me my white space across all my accounts and my product penetration. So it gives me an understanding of within all my accounts, what is the percentage of what product does each customer have? SBA loan, letter of credit, equipment loan, balloon loan, line of credit, installment, or team. Then our last piece that we're going to look at is protecting your business. So understanding the total loan amount and the total accounts, and really what accounts would be at risk and days with no activity. And really what you want to see is, you have more than 2 years where some have no activity left. They haven't been touched. So we really want to focus on that and understand what cases do they currently have open. And what has the average day been historically to resolve those open cases? So it really gives an understanding and allows me to be proactive with my success team to enable them to give the client the ability to be a satisfied customer and not a tricked. And that's the power of using Tableau CRM for Financial Services Cloud on the Salesforce platform.